Yo, what's good, guys? It's your bro Lo, and I'm bringing you guys a midweek outlook. Well, saucy midweek outlook. Um, so let's start off with GU real quick. Close this out real quick. Okay, so this week, Monday was a you know it offered some moves, and also Tuesday. I think Tuesday. No, today is Tuesday. Monday was a bank holiday, and it gave some crazy moves. I wasn't expecting EU and GU to be the high of the week. This to be the high of the week. Um, Let me see real quick. I don't know why this is taking so long to load. All right, here, let me do this real quick. Okay, boom. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this. Actually, this high was created on the on the 13th. So I wasn't expecting this to be the high of the week. I thought GU could run up and take this out, use that as like an inducement to come into this PD array up here, and then possibly sell off. I wasn't expecting it to have this much of a run. Right now, today, it came into this PD array right here, this bullish order block. I was looking inside of there for maybe a possible buy, but as you can see, not much oomph, not much of a confirmation inside of here for today. So I didn't touch GU. Right now, what I think GU might be doing is like if it really takes out this low, I'm gonna sit on my hands. I need more data to know what GU is possibly gonna do. I know that all of this is just liquidity built up here. There's a lot of buyers that are trailing their stop losses all inside of here. So I know that it's a potential that the target for GU is one, actually, right here. Okay, right here, 133.820. Okay, that's where I'm looking for GU to come into and take out all the buyers that are trailing their stop losses here. And after that, I really don't know what GU might do. If it does come all the way down here, I would expect it to make a lower low. So this would be another target right here. So this would be the low hanging fruit here, and this would be the target right there. So once more data starts getting created, maybe Wednesday, I don't know, it could run this low and then come up into like a PD array to sell off. I don't know. I'll just wait to see what happens. Maybe it could come into like let's see. If we do take out this low, maybe we could come into like this 4-hour up candle right here, or this wick that came into this up candle, maybe come into here, and then it might be a sell from there. But I just feel like it's gonna take out Monday's high. I don't know why. I just feel like it's gonna take out Monday's high. So I'm paying attention to that, but I'm also paying attention to this just in case it does want to continue lower. So let's go to EU. I think that's it with GU. EU. EU is completely dumping off. When you look at EU, we came into a fair value gap, a weekly fair value gap, right? We tapped into that, and we're starting to push lower. So let me show you guys the fair value gap on the weekly. So here's the fair value gap right here. We just tapped right into it. Consequent encroachment, I think. Almost consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. Let me draw it out for you guys that are just learning fair value gaps. So from this wick to the bottom right here, that is your fair value gap. I'm looking for price to possibly come and take out all of this right here. Okay, all of this, because like why would you really want to buy in any of this right here? Why? There's no reason for you to really buy here. For me, okay, personally, there's no reason for me to buy in any of this, because this is just all liquidity to be taken out. Okay, this is trend line liquidity, trend line phantom. Okay, and then this is just all support being built up right here. Okay, so I'm looking for that to be taken out. That was my objective, but I just wanted a better sell. I really didn't know where to get that sell. I thought we were gonna buy up today right here and come up just a little bit higher, feeling some inefficiency, and maybe come into like a PD array, these two up candles right here, and then continue down after we induce early sellers here. But as you can see, we're just dumping off. Hey, breakout traders are eating right now. But yeah, so this is my target. I really don't know where I want to sell at. I really don't know. Let me see. Yeah, I really don't know. Maybe it's not even no maybe for me. Maybe this up candle right here, it could be some sells. If we come up above here, uh, liquidate whoever's in here, come into this up candle, and then maybe continue down. I don't know. I'm gonna just wait to see what price does in certain areas, and take it from there. Let's see on the daily. I really wanted to sell around this daily up candle right here. We did come up a little bit. That's why I thought we was gonna run that Monday high, come into this up candle, and then drop. But you can see that that's not gonna happen. I don't think that's gonna happen. If Wednesday does make the low of the week and it pushes up, I'd be surprised if we don't take none of this out. So watch us literally bounce here and then move up. That'd be crazy. All right, let's go to US30. US30 is right now inside of a daily order block higher time frame. I'm gonna wait for a 4-hour confirmation, see what the 4-hour does inside of here, and then maybe actually a 1-hour, maybe a 1-hour confirmation, 4-hour, 1-hour confirmation. I want to see some rejection inside of this daily order block to continue up and take out this high here. This would be the low hanger fruit. So this right here, I would like to see that get taken out and maybe possibly make a new high. It could be some sensitivity inside of this up candle before the down move right here, and yeah, it could be some little short-term sensitivity, or it could be completely a reason for a price to go lower. It could just come up here, come into there, fail to make a new high, and then come lower if it wants to. You really don't know what it's gonna do, but I think if we do push up from here, it's more probable to take out this high, and this would be the low hanger fruit. Like I said, it's an easy target right here. Okay. I think I really don't want to see us break below here, because if we do come below here, I really don't trust this as much, because you can see there's a lot of buyers inside of here. So I really don't trust this as much, but you could still, I might still watch this down candle right here to see what price does, but I'm gonna be more likely to want to sell if we break below here to get down to this area of support. All right, US 100. Let's see. Yeah, US 100 is inside of that weekly order block. I thought we were gonna have a continuation up. It gave just a little bit of pips from this little move here upwards, but you can see that it's back here at this support area, this weekly order block, right? It's back inside of here. I don't know. I think price might run this low right here, and then come much more deeper into this order block, this weekly order block right inside of here. Yeah, this weekly order block right inside of here, I think it might come lower and then maybe push up. I really don't know. It might come to the discount, maybe this little fair value gap inside. This would be like an IPA type candle. That's what they call it. So a lot of people that teach SMC on YouTube. But yeah, this imbalance, let me take this out because this is getting in the way. Yeah, this imbalance right inside of here. Okay, and this last down candle right here, this isn't as bulky as this one, so I was more inclined to use this instead of here. But just know that it can come into here with this little bit of inefficiency inside, and then maybe possibly buy back up. I don't know, we'll see what happens, but I am looking to still buy instead of sell. If I am gonna sell, it's gonna be above this mess right here, and it's gonna be somewhere up in here. All right, as long as we take out this low first. Once we take out this low, I'll be more inclined to sell here. All right, let's go to gold real quick and wrap this video up because I'm about to take a nap. I'm pretty tired. Okay, so gold, I took a buy today on gold. I thought we were gonna end up coming up to take out these highs right here, which is still possible. I can go over my buy real quick. I did take sells here. And this shit like really dropped. I only got like 2% out of that because it was bank holiday Monday too, so I only got 2% out of this, but this completely dropped. You know, profit is profit, but you can see that price came into this bullish order block inside of here. This is where I was expecting price to make a move at, which it kind of did. It gave just a little bit of a move. I thought we were gonna get up to this, at least this low hanging fruit of this double top right here, and then but I was reaching for these highs right here, especially because it's Tuesday, and I was thinking Tuesday could be the low of the week for gold. Let's look at the daily real quick just to kind of like see what's going on. So yeah, I was looking for gold. If I did want to see this high get taken out, I don't want to see this completely come this low. You know what I mean? I didn't want to see this come down to a discount like that. I just want to see this you know, the premium of this down candle right here be respected to get up into this high right here. So if we do start coming lower, I'm gonna expect all of this to get ran out, because you know, understand that low order blocks that fail to create highs, or lows that fail to create highs, are possibly possible inducement to be taken out. They're really weak, you know, they're not as protected. All right, so that's why I would look. Maybe it could take this out, come into here again once again, and then move back up. I don't know. Gold is on a weekly higher time frame is in like this little wedge flag type pattern. So it's liquidity on both sides. You really don't know what gold is gonna do. You just want to sell that discount. I mean, sell that premium and buy at discount. And you know, everything in between is usually just food. Everybody getting, you know, wasted inside of there. So right now, let me go over my gold trade. So gold came into that bullish order block. All right, and I'm gonna let this load for a second. Okay, I don't know what's up with my connection. I think they working on it. It's been going crazy for like the past 2 days. But here's my trade, right? So gold came into this PD array right here with this wick right here, and had a very quick move up. So what I was expecting was, in this move, right? Okay, in this move, you see how fast, right, we came down and how fast we went back up. So all of this is really balanced, right? I don't really like to see price come really deep into a discount, especially if you have a run like this where it's just a quick move down, quick move up. All right, I'm more so likely to want to see the breaker hold, right? So I was expecting the breaker to hold and get an entry here, and then aim for the highs above here, right? Get an entry inside of the breaker, stops below, a little bit lower than the breaker, because sometimes price likes to wick past the breaker just a little bit and then move back up like it kind of did right here. And then you know, this is what I was expecting to happen, you know, to move up. So looking at this, you can see that it's not the best confirmation, but I was just looking for price to like kind of like have a little displacement from here and then come lower, and then, you know, kind of react off of this just a little bit, grab the entry, not making it too oversimplified. I mean, I said oversimplified, overcomplicated, you know what I mean? So I just took my buy here. My connection had dropped a little bit, so my entry was a little bit higher, and then my stops here, and then, you know, this was the trade. And you can see how price was just playing around a lot. Price was playing around. You had a move up, then you had this move down back into this down candle right here, and this move up. After this move up here, you don't really want to see too much retracement. I'm not going to get in too much detail over that. You guys can follow my journal and kind of like, you know, well, I'm getting a brain fart, but you go on my journal and follow through what I'm doing, and you will kind of understand why I'm doing certain things. But you can see how once price went up here, you don't want to see a deep retracement. So after it came back down into here, I just pulled out half of my risk, because I didn't want to see this deep retracement, even though I could have respected this down candle right here, right? But I just went ahead and pulled it out, put my stops below here. But I just went ahead and pulled out the rest of my position after price closed on the 15-minute. Let's go to the 15-minute real quick. After price closed on the 15-minute, right here, very aggressively like this. This is not favorable for me after that, because you can see how the 30-minute look, up candle, down candle, 15-minute closing below there. I don't like that. You know what I mean? So, and it's like almost the end of London close, so it's just best to, you know, get out this position and you know, end my day. So yeah, but what do I think gold is gonna do? Like I said, I don't know. I think gold can still respect this little move right here and then move back up. I'm not gonna be a part of it. I'm gonna just wait. Tomorrow I'm gonna need more data for tomorrow to see what happens. Even though it's not favorable for us to come down to a deep premium, this is just inducement right here because of how we're failing to create new highs. Okay, these lows become your inducement. So what could happen is we could come all the way down to that deep discount, that last down candle before the up move right here. Okay, we could do that, or we could respect OTE and then continue up. I'm not gonna be a part of that. Maybe tomorrow I'll wait for this if we can hold price, you know, a little bit and come down here and then look for a entry inside of here. Maybe, possibly. We'll see. I'll see what happens. You know what I mean? Because this is just a wick on the 1 hour time frame, and you can see like this push up is just it just looks so iffy. You know what I mean? But on this time frame, it looks okay. When I was expecting this to hold, so it's not as favorable for us to buy up off of this and for it to work out, because when you have like I said, when you have a clean move like this from down up and it's very fast, very clean, is this whole range is balanced, right? So you don't want to see much of it playing around or coming deep into it, playing inside of it. You just want to see quick come into it, or maybe not even tap into it at all, and just reject and have a displacement higher. You know what I mean? So yeah, but that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this quick little midweek outlook. You know what I mean? So midweek recap, outlook. So if you did, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, share the video, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next video, or if you're on my Telegram, I'll see you guys there. So peace, I'm out.